Excuse me.
Take one. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Testicles 1, 2.
പാടുന്ന മുമ്പേ ബീഫ് ഫ്രൈ ഓർഡർ ചെയ്തോ?
Okay. Go.
I am a Malayali. I wear a pink lungi. I'm a card-holding member of the Marxist party.
Laal Salaam.
I am a Malayali. God knows I am a Malayali. I gone to the Gelf. I gone to the Gelf for a long time to get a big fat salary. Oh, I miss my family. Who cares? I'm making lots of money. It's strange, but I take brandy, while all the others like to drink scotch whiskey. My chappals are bacha, and you can call me Cheta. I am very sexy, and I like my coffee. Yes, I am Malayali.
Chettalla, Cheta.
When I was in 3rd standard, I was sent to English medium to learn the British language. CAT, CAT, BAG, bag, A for apple and all that. With great difficulty, I passed my 6th and went on to +2. How I got through, I don't know. And then I went to college. Since I was 2nd group, got to BSc Zoology. That കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഒരു MBA. Then I got offered to go Kuwait to work for a prestigious company. 2 months and I wanted one small. Started drinking 99. One day got picked up by police. Now I am in the jail. I am alone here, very scared. If somebody listens, please help me. But life still goes on. I can't get used to living without my Maruti. I got it as my dowry. How? God knows. It came with 1 year warranty. So baby, can't you see? I like my kappa meen curry. I am a Malayali. Can you see my pink lungi? I am a Malayali.
Jai Hind.